Ever wondered what kind of USDT is hiding in your Coinbase wallet? Hey crypto fam, have you ever transferred some Tether, USDT, to your Coinbase wallet and then just wondered? Like, what kind of USDT is that exactly? Is it different from the USDT on another exchange? Buckle up, because today we're diving deep into the world of Tether and specifically, the type that calls your Coinbase wallet home. Now, before we jump in, let's rewind a sec. You might be thinking, hey, isn't all USDT the same? Great question. USDT is a so-called stablecoin, meaning it's a cryptocurrency that tries to peg its value to a real-world asset, usually the US dollar. So in theory, 1 USDT should always be worth roughly $1. But here's the thing, USDT, despite its name, isn't actually issued by a single entity. It's a product of Tether Limited, a company shrouded in some mystery. And Tether Limited doesn't just issue USDT for Coinbase. They issue it for a bunch of different exchanges and wallets. Alright, so with that little plot twist out of the way, let's get back to the USDT in your Coinbase wallet. Here's the key thing to remember, all USDT is USDT, regardless of the exchange or wallet you hold it on. It's like having different dollar bills in your pocket. They might have slightly different designs or come from different years, but they're all still worth the same dollar. Now, there are some technical differences behind the scenes. Different exchanges might use different blockchain protocols to move USDT around. But for the most part, as a user, you won't experience any of that. You can send and receive USDT between Coinbase and other wallets that support it, and it should all work seamlessly. However, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. Transaction fees. Remember, every time you move your crypto around, there might be fees involved. These fees can vary depending on the exchange or wallet you're using and the current network congestion. So, it's always a good idea to check the fees before you send your USDT. Trading restrictions. While USDT is generally a pretty liquid crypto, some exchanges might have restrictions on how much USDT you can trade at once, especially for new accounts. So again, do your research before you jump into any big trades. Alright, so that's the skinny on the USDT in your Coinbase wallet. It's the same USDT you'll find on other exchanges, just chilling out in a different digital location. Remember, the key takeaway is that USDT is USDT, and its value should stay pegged to the US dollar, regardless of where you hold it. Of course, the world of crypto is constantly evolving, so it's always a good idea to stay informed. Keep an eye out for any updates from Coinbase or Tether Limited that might affect your USDT. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time, happy hodling.